Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every
Oh, welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Today, we got ourselves a banger daily market news and analysis. What is up? What is up? How's everyone feeling out of 10? Let me know in the chat. Let's get this party started, y'all. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button, hitting the share, so other people can spam the like button and hit the share. And I think we fixed our TikTok. I think we fixed our TikTok. 6.5 says, yo boy, let's get it. Do Sonic brother. I got you. Hey Ski, can you do swag? 9 out of 10. How's it going, bro? Render thoughts? We'll get into it. Doesn't full moon mark local bottom or top? That is true. So typically the full moon is a local bottom. Not always. Not always, but this, in my opinion, and I just made a video. Right before we went live, explaining that any dips between now and the next like 4 to 6 months, in my opinion, are to be bought. John brings up a good point though. It is the full moon, and typically the full moons are the local bottoms, at least around it. So here's the local bottom. The local bottom right here is the local bottom on the full moon. The local bottom around the war in Israel. The local bottom with Silicon Valley Bank going to zero. The local bottom, or the absolute bottom, on the Luna collapse. So yes, not always, but you can see it pretty clearly. Most of the time, the full moons, you do have a little bit of bearish energy, especially in the phase that we're at right now. I think that any dips that we have between now and the next 4 to 6 months are to be bought without question. We could technically get back to 75. Anything even really to 70 would be fine. It would be a blessing. I don't think that we're necessarily going to get that deep, but structurally it would be absolutely fine. I did see a bit. I saw a video with Alex, and he was talking about, just think like 2 weeks ago, if you would have thought that Bitcoin was dipping back to 85K 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, how absolutely pumped out of your mind would you be? How absolutely pumped out of your mind would you be? The answer is a lot. What is up, everyone? What's up, Dorian? Long time no see. Ski, you savage. Master, you. Algorand, Chainlink in the short term. Chainlink's a good value here. All right, let's start off with we'll start off with Bitcoin, then we'll look at Solnic, and then we'll get into your guys' questions. But right now, Bitcoin, we scouted this move out for months and months and months. This is the move right now. I anticipate Bitcoin to get as high as $207,000. My medium case is 138K. That's sort of the macro. In the micro, it's a little hot right now. It's a little hot. We're in the full moon. And I would expect a little bit of a pullback. Maybe probably 80K is my realistic pullback target. But that doesn't necessarily mean that that's where we need to pull back. What we're waiting for as far as starting alt season is going to be Bitcoin dominance, pulling back about 62%, which, if you don't know what that means, Bitcoin dominance measures the percentage of the entire market that is invested into Bitcoin. This needs to peak out, fall down as Bitcoin is continuing to rise. That's when we're going to get our real deal alt season. If you're buying Bitcoin right now for 20 years, I think that Bitcoin is absolutely very valuable right now. If you're buying Bitcoin for the next 12 months, I think that there's better plays, in my opinion. Hey, buddy, what's up? VeChain. I like VeChain a lot right here. Let's look at Solnic, and then we're going to get into your guys' coins. Solnic is my number one 100x meme coin play. And right now, I mean, we're still in the same top of the range structure. So when we zoom all the way out, so this is on the daily chart. We've talked about this a lot, but what you can see is we're formulating the bottom, just like, by the way, this is exactly what Bitcoin did. A macro bull flag on a huge time frame. Let's pull up Bitcoin. A macro bull flag on a huge time frame. Let me give you a cleaner chart. How about that? How about I make it a nice clean chart? Let's turn this off. That way you can see. But yeah, this is a macro bull flag. And then, in my opinion, we talked about this. The reason that Bitcoin traded sideways and boring for 8 months like that, I'm not saying that Solnic needs to, but I'm not mad at it trading sideways, because in my opinion, the reason why Bitcoin traded sideways and boring like this for 8 months before it finally broke out, this is the 2026 bottom that Bitcoin just formed right here. That's where we're getting to. We're going to go back to like maybe 60K in 2026 after the party's over. Maybe. But I don't think that we're going below that ever. And Solnic, in my opinion, has the exact same chart. Body daily closes on top of the prior all-time high. What was resistance is now support, and I think it is a beautiful thing. In fact, same thing right now. Higher low. So we wicked all the way back down here to 30034, and now this is a higher low, just like Bitcoin did, by the way. Just like Bitcoin did, wicked all the way down, and then it had a higher low, still ranging. In my opinion, this is the same thing that Bitcoin was doing, ranging on top of the prior all-time high, just like Bitcoin was doing. So when we zoom out, right? So if you go on the weekly chart on Bitcoin, you'll see that all of this was way on top of all of this. Okay, let's go. You can see it pretty good. Like the body on the bi-weekly, all of them are on top of the previous all-time high. But look on the monthly. Like it's very, very clean on the monthly. All of these candles are on top of this. But even on the weekly, all of these candles are on top of the prior all-time high. What was resistance became support for Bitcoin. And now, in my opinion, this is where we're going to come back to. That is what Solnic is doing right now, in my opinion. It's formulating our next bottom. Cup and handle. Yeah. I'm not a huge pattern guy. I see Dr. Disrespect at 52. It's being advertised. I still have all 84 million of my coins, and I will never sell. My wallet is public. 6 low, that is me. Same thing on Solnic. 6 low, that is me. Will Solnic hit 25 cents? Yes. I think so. So that would put us at about $250 million market cap. Once we get there, that's when we're going to start getting on the really extremely big exchanges, right? That's $250 million market cap is about the threshold to get on Binance, about the threshold to get on Crypto.com, about the threshold to get on Coinbase, etc. 7 Niners, thank you for the $5 donation, bro. I appreciate you. You think Moon River's 12, 24, 2023 move is a hint as how far it can run. Thank you for the donation, bro. Let me know, guys. I think I fixed the emojis on TikTok. Let me know if you could hear it.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Where are you buying Solnic? You can buy Solnic on Coinbase Wallet, Crypto.com Wallet. I didn't say the exchange wallet. Phantom Wallet, Soulflare Wallet, Seto X, the centralized exchange. You can buy it on Radium, and you can buy it on Jupiter. In my opinion, the easiest place is Soulflare or Phantom. Buy Solana on Coinbase, send it to Soulflare or Phantom, and swap it natively on the app. By the way, guys, there's lots of different coins that will send you an airdrop, and it will say to redeem here. Do not redeem. Those are scams. There is no Solnic airdrop. I promise you. There is none. All right, let's look at this one from my man. Thank you for the donation, bro. Did we fix it, by the way? Did you guys hear that? Did you hear the cream rising to the top? Did you guys hear that? What's the best software to use for stocks, crypto? As a day trader? Bit Unex in the bottom right corner? You did hear? Okay, cool. All right, let's look at Moon River. If you want to leverage trade, use Bit Unex. That's what I've been using for a while, and I enjoy it very much. Moon River. So the move to the upside. Let's get in the weeds on this question. No. Says the move 12/24/2023 move is a hint for. Okay, yeah, I think that this is the sign of strength. Yeah, I think that this is a hint. This is a beautiful looking chart. This is the same chart that I'm looking for. Yeah, I think that absolutely this is a hint. Now, I don't know what the inflation on this is like, but minimum retracement is about $117. You can pretty much take that to the bank. But yeah, I do think that that is a hint. Thank you for the donation, bro. I appreciate you and your support. Altcoins. What do you want to know about them? Price prediction for Near. It's got a 600%. Yeah, I think Near will do about a 5x. Where's XRP going? XRP, in my opinion, is going to go to about $5.14. V Nizzle, thanks for the roses. Shine, thank you for the hat and mustache. Yeehaw!
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
You savages. I appreciate you. Did you guys hear that? I think I fixed it. ICP $100. Look at Bitcoin Act on Dex Tools, please. Thoughts on Gala or XYO? Gala is highly inflationary. XYO is one of my favorite medium plays right now. You did hear it. Let's go. Jasmine, same thing. Jasmine, I really like Jasmine long term, and I'll be adding Jasmine in the bear market of 2026/2027. I'll be accumulating Jasmine very heavily. You're banned from Nebraska and Utah. Don't go there. That's cap, bro. However, for this bull market, Jasmine is highly inflationary, and I think it's only going to get to about 10 or 12 cents. I feel the same way about HBAR. HBAR and Jasmine are on a short list of coins that have inflated their supply a bunch during the bear market. I don't think they will perform as well as they could have. They'll still perform. They'll still do ROI, but I will be accumulating them aggressively in the next bear market. Thoughts on Litecoin? I've said it once. I've said it 100 times. Litecoin's chart looks beautiful, and I think it has a really good setup. Litecoin is one of the first movers. Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Dogecoin, those are like the first movers of the bull market. This is awesome. I'm down to shill. Dr. Dis still holding as well. I'm going to hold it forever, brother. I'm going to hold it forever. I might set up some liquidity pools. Shiba have a run left? Yeah, absolutely. Listen, you believe in Dot short term, I think is going to perform well. The bull market is like, we're only like, if there is, let's say there's let's say if we were to mark out each phase, let's say every phase equals a letter of the alphabet. So you have A through Z. If we have just started the bull market, I would say we're in phase A or B. Like, this thing is just starting out. We have not even gotten into the alt season. I showed this chart in my recent video, and this chart is not everything, but it is a little bit of something. Okay, and I'm going to show it to you. So this is a good chart to understand. Okay, so you have the obviously you have the meme coins in there as well, but generally this is how it works. This isn't a perfect science, but just to give you the broad understanding of how money flows into this game. So you have fiat, aka US dollars, flow into Bitcoin. In my opinion, fiat is flowing into Bitcoin. That's where we're at right now. That's it. End of story. And we're not even done flowing into Bitcoin. That's the phase where we're at. But after that, Bitcoin flows into large caps, your Ethereum, your XRP, your ADA. Then it will flow into your mid caps, your VeChain, your LCX, your Flux, then into your low caps, right? Saucer Swap, etc. Thank you for the stonks. Stonks, thank you for the sunglasses, bro. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Litecoin prediction. All right, let's look at Litecoin. So I would say that Litecoin is definitely a large cap, right? And Litecoin typically, generally, is one of the first movers. But this chart looks pretty damn good, in my opinion. Let me pull up their market cap chart. Yeah. Okay. So they're about the same. That's fine. All right. Yeah. So this is a macro accumulation. It needs to get above this level of about $114 to really start the next phase. At a minimum, I think that Litecoin is going to get to $266 on the higher end of things. If it wants to go parabolic, you could be looking at a price for Litecoin as high as $1,000. Flux. $5 to $15. Flux or $20. Flux is my favorite medium cap coin. It's also my favorite AI coin. I made a full in-depth review on Flux. I have my entire mining farm over here to the left of me. My left, your right. You can't see it. But it's all mining Flux. I have put it all on Flux, and I plan to just like rotate my assets. I'm going to do Flux, 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 and then rotate it into Dynex because I think that the Flux chart is ahead of Dynex. I think that Flux will move before Dynex, and then Dynex is going to go after that. So those are my two favorite mineable coins. Those are also my two favorite AI coins. Dynex, I think, is going to be a little while before it goes, and it's a smaller cap. So the upside is technically higher on Dynex. I have a full video on that as well. XRP, $5 or $14. Do you think they'll remove the KuCoin restrictions? I do. I think that this is the most favorable lawmakers that cryptocurrency has ever had. XYO prediction, 20 cents. Why is ICP not moving? Because we're not in the ICP moving phase of the game. But we are very, very close. Blast, Glenn, I'm going to hold that one out because actually after this live stream, I'm going to do a full in-depth review on Blast. And if you guys want like in-depth reviews on coins, comment them on my videos. That will help push the algorithm. And if I get enough people commenting certain coins, I'll know that that's what you guys want me to do. Low love for memes. My favorite meme coin is Solnic, SOLNIC. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a full review on Blast, giving you my thoughts on that, price targets and that. So I'm not going to spoil that because I'm going to make that video right after this live stream. A lot of media. What about a lot of media? It's FLUX, Flux. Lost me. I lost you on what? XRP next bear market? Probably $2. VeChain, 40 cents as high as 69 cents. LCX prediction, $1 to $2. Can Render do $20 billion market cap? Caspa will melt faces. I like Caspa a lot. ICP, $100. Which cryptos are you holding even through the bear market? Always Bitcoin. Bitcoin, in my opinion, when the party's over, that's where you want to be. That's the safe haven. But I'm going to be accumulating aggressively in the bear market. Not right now. Listen, hear me clearly. Hear me clearly. I do not think that the next couple of coins that I'm about to say are a play right now. But I think they will be in the next bull market because their supply has been inflated a lot. So I think they will perform well. They're going to get ROI, but there's going to be better plays for the next 12 months. Moving into the next bear market, along with Bitcoin, I'm going to be accumulating HBAR. I'm going to be accumulating Filecoin. I'm going to be accumulating Jasmy. Yeah, those are coins that I think are not good plays for the next 12 months, but they are good plays long term. What would you buy right now? I just made a top 5 video Those are all still at play. I'll recap them. I think ADA is a good play. I think LCX is a good play. I think Flux is a good play. Solnic is my favorite 100x meme coin. I think that Saucer Swap's a good play right now. I think that XYO is a good play right now. So there you go. There's 5 that I think are all really, really good values. Why is Solnic your favorite? Because there's a maximum supply of 939.87 million. That's all that there will ever be. So that's less. That seems like a lot, but that's less than Uniswap. That's less than HBAR. That's less than XRP. That's less than a lot of coins. Okay, not very much supply. Developing a casino. It's going to be, this is the big one right here. It's going to be one of the first meme coins, if not cryptocurrencies, in the game. It will be one of the first cryptocurrencies that you will be able to buy directly. This is going to be about March of 2025. That's when the projections are. But March of 2025, Solnic will be one of the first coins that you will be able to buy directly using Apple Pay, Google Pay, a credit card, a debit card, and all you're going to need is a Gmail account. You cannot buy any cryptocurrency that easily right now. Solnic, come March time, March of 2025, Doge is not my favorite. March of 2025, you're going to be able to buy Solnic directly using a credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, also development of the casinos. I would only stick to Robinhood and only buy. Why not? Because listen, bro, I've been here in the trenches. I made 1,700 videos over the last 4 years. 1,700 videos. And I said for a long time that Dogecoin was a really good value. It is no longer a good value. It's just not. It's already full on retraced. This is no longer a good value. It will continue to rise. But this had the setup that I'm looking for. If anyone's been following me for like any amount of time, you will know that I've talked about this same exact chart until I'm blue in the face, until you are sick of hearing me talk about it. I know if you followed me for any amount of time, I have taught about this chart right here, the structural chart, because every stinking chart has this exact same setup. Here's a few coins that have not broken out like Dogecoin, but have the exact same setup. ICP, Link has the exact same chart. VeChain has the exact same chart. HNT has the exact same chart. Rose has the exact same chart. AVAX, they all have the same chart because they're all going to do the same thing. LCX, Shiba, Doge had the chart, but it's already doing the move that we're waiting for. So no, Dogecoin is no longer a good value. It will still continue to rise. Don't get it twisted. Let me tell you what the potential is. I think it will do up to another 3x as high as a 5x. So you have about a 3 to 5x left in Dogecoin. If you compare that to the stock market, that's still really good. All right, that's still really, really, really good compared to the stock market. But like when I scouted this move out back here, when I was talking about this, when I was blue in the face and I was saying over and over and over again, this is the setup right here. Not here, here. You have your markdown, that's your bear market. Accumulation, sign of strength, back test of the prior range. I'm buying coins right here. Right here, coins that look like that are the play. Dogecoin has already done the move that we are waiting for. Like I scouted it out for months. I told you that Dogecoin and a whole list of other coins that have not done it yet, but will do it, are all having the same setup. Look, let me show you textbook what we're talking about. This is not the right, this is not the right website. Where's my Wyckoff chart? Hold on. Where are you? Here it is. All right. This is this is textbook. The chart that we were talking about for months. Markdown, that's the bear market. Selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test. Then you get your sign of strength. This firmly marks that the bottom is done, and you get your back test of the prior range. I said I am buying anything right here because the next phase is the phase E, which is called the bull run. In Wyckoff, you call it the mark up. That is the bull run. All right? Dogecoin is right here. Okay? It's going to keep going a little bit. But the better play is to buy the thing that has not started the phase E yet. And there's a whole list of coins. All right? Who will be next? There's a whole list. ICP, Shiba, LCX, VeChain. See how they all look? All right, let's show you. Let me show you. We did this once, but we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. All right, so we're going to mark this. All right, we're going to do 3. All right, so we're going to say step 1, step 2, and then step 3. So step 1 is going to be where you start. Step 2 is going to be in the middle of the move. And step 3 is going to be where you finish. Right? Now, I don't want you guys to care about the coins. The coins are irrelevant. The coins are irrelevant. I'm teaching you about structure. Teaching you about structure. Okay? Structure. The coins are irrelevant. We're not talking about the coins. We're talking about the structure. All right, so on the top, we have VeChain, but again, it doesn't matter. Step 1, step 2. Let's put this in a way that you guys can see. I want to make sure that you guys can see. Where can I go to about? Okay, so that should be good. Let's do it like that. Okay. And then step 3, we're going to do render. Now, render is actually reaccumulating again. So it's actually almost looping back into, it's like step 0, I would say right now. But we're going to show the past on what it did because it did a 30x with the same exact damn setup. All right. All right. Now, you do not need to be a chart nerd like me to understand that these basically all look the exact same structurally, right? So you have your markdown, your markdown, your markdown. You have your accumulation, your accumulation, your accumulation. Bottom, 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 right? So step 1, right here. Step 1, step 2, step 3. That's funny. I did this the other day. All right. Then you have your sign of strength, your sign of strength, and your sign of strength. Let's mark it out clearly so everyone knows what we're talking about, because this is all about learning the game. Let me teach y'all the game. Oh, that's not the game. SOS. And we'll do one more. SOS. All right, so these are all the same moves structurally. Sign of strength for VeChain in step 1. Sign of strength for Dogecoin in step 1 or step 2. Sign of strength in render in step 3. Okay, these are all structurally the exact same. Then you have your back test. In my opinion, the back test, as long as the inflation is good, that's the buy. Hear me. That's the buy. Not this. You don't want to buy. You don't want to chase green candles. Chase green candles and ride buses home. All right. Wait. Hold on. TikTok made me verify that I'm a human, because they're like, he's so good at this, he has to be AI. All right. Let me pull up my chats again. Okay. Now. So everything right here. So this is phase 2. What it looks like. Phase E of phase 2. That's your markup. That's your bull run. And then look, here's where it ends. That's what the bull run looks like. Boom. Render did a 30x. Dogecoin is in the midst of this move right here. Is it going to continue more? Yes, it will. It's in the middle of it. But in my opinion, the move is not to buy the middle. The move is to buy the beginning. You see how they're all the same? They're all the same. We have marked this out for months. Listen, I know there's a lot of creators that are popping out the woodworks. Like, is it that time again? But measure them. Measure the creators by what they were doing in the bear market. Were they grinding in the bear market? Were they leading you correctly in the bear market? If no, that doesn't mean don't follow them. That doesn't mean don't hate on them, all that. But listen, don't be led by the blind. All right. Near prediction. Near has the same setup. I think it'll do a 5x. NT Solnick will be it. Bro, we've been at this for 10 months, brother. 10 months. Solnick, my favorite 100x meme. Period. Period. Let me show you what the weekly damn chart looks like. That means each one of these candles equals 1 week of time. Show me a sub $10 million market cap that has a weekly chart that looks like this. Higher highs and higher lows. Months and months and months. Show me a sub 10 million market cap that looks like this. I will buy it right now. How many X's from here will Solnick do? Minimum, we're going to $75 million market cap, or I will shave my beard. Just like I bet that Bitcoin would go to $80,000 at 58K. I said that Bitcoin would be $80,000 before Christmas at 58K. And I even said the real number's 100K, but I'm betting 80K. I'm saying the same bet. All right, let's recap my track record. All right. Am I perfect? No, I'm not. But here's my track record, damn it. FTX went to zero December of 2022. I said I would shave my head when every stinking crypto creator was saying that Bitcoin was going lower. It's going to 10K. It's going to 12K. Every stinking crypto creator. I said I would shave my head if Bitcoin went lower than 15K. My hair is very long, as you can see. At Silicon Valley Bank went to zero. Bitcoin went back to 20K. I said I would shave my head if Bitcoin went lower than 20K. My hair is very long. The war in Israel kicked off. Every stinking crypto creator said that we're going to 10K, we're going to 12K. Bitcoin can't possibly handle World War III. I said I would shave my head and my face and my cat. The cat was a joke. If we went lower than 25K, and I also said that we would reach 40K by the end of the year, or I would shave my head and my beard. What did we do? We went to 48K by the end of the year. And then at 55K, I said I would shave my beard at 58K if we did not reach 80K by Christmas, and here we are. So, that's my track record. Judge me by the most pain. Judge me by the most fear, because I was here grinding. I just saw a comment the other day that said, oh, you guys are back. Like, I never left, fam. I made 1,700 videos teaching each and every one of you guys the game. Go back and look. I never left. It looks like you guys are back. All right, so just like I said that, I have the same bet with Solnick. Solnick will reach $75 million market cap by the end of the bull market, or I will shave my beard. That's how confident I am. The real number is $1 billion. $75 million market cap, or I will shave my beard. Period. 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 It's pretty, like, NT, my brother. Why would I dox my damn wallet? Why would I dox my wallet? Says I took some major trades today. XRP, $5 to $14. How about DGen? I think DGen's overheated right now. I'm already in on Solnick. Wonder how many X from here. Let's see. How many X? Let's see. All right, so that is about 7.58 cents, somewhere in that range. So from current price, that's a minimum of an 18.6x. And if we get to $1 billion, which is my medium case, that's $1 per coin. That puts you at a 250x. And my bull case is $5.89. That is a 1,400x. How high can VeChain go? 40 cents as high as 69 cents. Solnic, SOLNIC. What about Cardano? $6 or $8? Ye of little faith. I just told you, $75 million market cap, or I will shave my beard. That's about 7.58 cents. I'm not sure what the exact, I think it's about 7.5 cents. Ye of little faith. NT, I would not have doxed my damn wallet. Listen, I know there's a lot of crypto creators, but we're not all cut from the same cloth. Sorry, I thought they asked about Sol. $500. Where can you buy Solnic? You can buy Solnic on Phantom Wallet, Soulflare Wallet. Those, in my opinion, right now are the easiest. You have to buy Solana from Coinbase or wherever, send it to those wallets and swap it on the wallet. You can also buy it on Jupiter, Radium, SetOX. You can buy it on Coinbase Wallet. You can buy it on Crypto.com Wallet. Good buy zones for Solnic right now. In my opinion, we're doing the same thing that Bitcoin did structurally. We're chopping sideways on top of the prior all-time high, just like Bitcoin was for a while, which is formulating the next bottom. So that's what Solnic is doing structurally. The next move is this move. It's going to be boring, boring, boring until it's not. So yeah. I would say if you can get it below 4.5 million, that's an excellent value right now. $4.5 million market cap. Coin suggestions to invest 10K, preferably something under $1. Okay, why does it need to be under $1? Okay, so let's talk about kind of a Solnic, SOLNIC. Let's talk about kind of a misconception in cryptocurrency, and I'm seeing this everywhere. What about XRP? I like XRP's value, $5 to $14. Would you say sell Doge? That depends on when you got in, Dylan. I think that it's overheated a bit. I think it will still do another 3 to 5x from here. It's not price, it's market cap. Exactly. Humble Journey. Hit the nail on the head. I saw someone comment the other day. They said if Pepe just gets to the market cap of Dogecoin, or not the market cap, if Pepe just gets to the price of Dogecoin, we'll be rich. If it gets to 39 cents or whatever, 37 cents. Okay, but except the problem with that is Dogecoin's market cap is $54 billion. Okay? Pepe's is $8.8 billion. That's what you need to measure is market cap. Market cap tells you the truth. Pepe is a top 15 cryptocurrency. Pepe has more money invested in it than Chainlink. Pepe has more money invested in it than Litecoin. Pepe has more money than Kronos, than ICP, than Render, than like all these huge fundamental coins that are going to be here for 20 years, in my opinion. Pepe is larger. Pepe is not a. I'm not ragging on Pepe, by the way. I think it's going to do fine. But this idea that it's going to get to 37 cents is not going to happen. Not going to happen, period. But so to answer your question, I just made a Solnic maybe reach 50 million market cap. Solnic will reach $75 million market cap or I will shave my beard. Period. Period, period, period. End of story. So low, I just made a top 5, but I'll tell you my low and mid cap favorites. LCX, Saucer Swap, Flux. Those are some that I really like right here. Soul Top, $500. Where can I buy Solnic? You can buy it on Radium, Jupiter, Soulflare Wallet, Phantom Wallet. if you're brand new, I think the easiest is to download Phantom Wallet, buy Solana on Coinbase or wherever, send it to Soulflare or Phantom, excuse me, and then swap it there. That's probably the easiest place. Come March, though, you're going to be able to buy Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, debit card using nothing more than a Google account. What about Algo? $2 for Algo. Your opinion on SHIB? SHIB has the same setup that Doge had before breakout. I think that SHIB's going to perform well. 10 to 15x. MetaMask wallet? Yeah, you can buy it there. But I'm saying, like, I'm giving you wallets. You could buy it natively on the app. Crow to 70 cents. I think that that is a, yes. Not on Moonshot. What is your Sonic prediction? Minimum 7.5 cents or I will shave my beard. My medium case is $1. My bull case is $5.89. XRP, $5 to $14. What do you think about AVAX? AVAX has the same setup that we've been talking about. Same setup that we've been talking about. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. Do you think Doge will hit 70 cents? I do. I think Doge will get to about $1.20. I say, like, Dogecoin will still... Listen, we went over Dogecoin. Let's do it one more time. This is the coins you want to be buying. Structures down here. The accumulation, sign of strength, back test of the prior range. Right in here. That's the value. And I marked this out like months ago. Like, literally go back and look at my live streams on YouTube. Just go back and look September. Anytime, any live stream from July through, let's say, October. I promise you I was saying that Dogecoin was an excellent value. But now it's just like an okay value. It's above, like I'd say it's less than a good value. It's okay. I think it's still going to 3x from here. But this is like the move that I charted out for months for Dogecoin. So I think that realistically you want to be buying the stuff that is here, not here. So Shiba, example, if you like Dogecoin, see how it's like the same thing? Pre-breakout, this is the same chart. Same chart. By the way, are there socials for Dr. Dis? No, not. There's a Twitter. ADA prediction: $6 or $8. Will Degen, when do you have Doge 3x? By the end of the bull market. So you're saying SHIB is a good spot to buy now? Yeah, I think that SHIB is a better value, much better value than Dogecoin is. That's what I'm saying. Bitcoin, $207,000. Degen, in my opinion, is getting a bit overheated. Let's see. People keep asking me about that. Like, it's okay, but same thing, like, right? So this is like, I would say good value, but there's better. But like, see how like it's the same thing? You have your accumulation, your sign of strength, your back test. This is already moving a good bit. So this has already done a 2x. In my opinion, anytime you do a 2x, like, just take 20, 30% off the table. And DCA out. We got a fake Calvin Hill in here. H-bar. Should I sell or hold? What? USD is going up, bro. What do you think? When bull market ends? About a year from now. 30 cents. Jay, thanks for the roses. Ruben, I missed all your roses, bro. I appreciate you, fam. Thank you guys for the roses, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
What up, Ski? On the hood. On my mama, on my hood. Jake, then don't hold it, bro. He said, be realistic. Tell me how Sona can reach $1. Not possible, no way. Don't hold it, bro. Don't hold it. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. I will be making, like, if you cannot shake me, if I make 1,700 videos, not 170, not 17, 1,700 videos about cryptocurrency over the last 4 years, helping regular people, what in the world do you think I'm about? You think I'm going to go away now? 1,700 videos. I will be making videos helping people for decades. That's how it's going to $1. Period. $5 to $14 for XRP. Cali XT, thank you for the let 'em cook. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the roses. You savages.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
XLM one doll hair. Crow, I like Crow a lot. Nick, thanks for the heart. I think Crow can easily get to $1. When alt season will start? Bitcoin dominance needs to top out. Let's go over that. I like that question. Oh. So when will alt season be here? Let's go over that. Good. All right. All right, let's say if we were to map out the bull run, and every phase of the bull run would be A through Z. So A is the start and Z is the end. Good night, Charlene. I would say that we are in phase B, phase A to B of the bull market. So this is the very first step. Bitcoin breaking out of a multi-year range. That is step number 1. Okay, step number 2 is Bitcoin dominance. All right, so Bitcoin dominance, if you don't know what that is, it measures the percentage of cryptocurrency that is invested into Bitcoin. All right, now historically, so right now it's just ripping to the upside. If we can see, we're zooming out here, just ripping to the upside. This is what happens. Bitcoin rises, Bitcoin dominance rises. Then Bitcoin falls, Bitcoin dominance falls with it. Bitcoin continues to rise as the dominance will fall. So the dominance is going to fall and Bitcoin is going to rise. That's when the alt season is going to be here. So let's show you when this has happened in the past. Okay, so on the top, we're going to do Bitcoin dominance. On the bottom, we're going to do Bitcoin. And we're going to line it up date for date, bar for bar, candle for candle. All right. So on the top, we have Bitcoin dominance, which measures the percentage of the entire cryptocurrency market that is invested into cryptocurrency. So the question is, when alt season? When are we going to have these 10, 20, 30, 50, 100Xs? When Lambo ski? When is my Lamborghini going to be delivered to me? Well, I'm going to tell you when. First of all, don't buy a Lamborghini. Lamborghini is what you buy when you didn't have money and now you do. Get that 70 Chevelle. Get that 70 Classic. First of all, don't get a Lamborghini. Lamborghini is what people buy that are broke and then they come into money. But let me tell you what, all right? I'm just kidding. You can buy whatever you like. If you want a Lamborghini, get a Lamborghini. Win Lambo! All right, so let's line this up as best we can here. All right. I'm going to try to get this pretty... That's pretty good right there. Okay, cool. So what you'll see is Bitcoin dominance was rising. Bitcoin was chopping forever. Bitcoin finally breaks out of this chop just like we did. Bitcoin was chopping forever. We were chopping for 8 months. So this is, I'm looking at the 2020 cycle, right? On the top, we have Bitcoin dominance. On the bottom, we have Bitcoin. These little hashes are the same dates. So they're not perfect, but they scroll up pretty closely. if I scroll left or right, they're scrolling the dates together. Okay. So what you're seeing, this is when we had an alt season right here. Bitcoin was rising, peaks out. See how the peak is the same day? Let's actually make it the same. All right, so the peak is the same. Bitcoin peaks out the 9th of January, 2021. Then Bitcoin falls. A solid correction here. What is the percentage? 31%. That ain't nothing. If 31% correction happened, this is in the midst of a bull run, by the way. The midst of the bull run, Bitcoin had a 31% correction. If that happened in the stock market, people are losing their jobs. Period. All right, so 31% correction. Bitcoin dominance falls as Bitcoin is falling, right? And then here's where the shift happens. Here's when alt season starts. Bitcoin is continuing to rise. Rising, 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 rising as what's happening. Bitcoin dominance is falling off a cliff. That is when alt season. That's what we're waiting for. That's the next phase of this game. That's what we're waiting for. And if we look right now, where are we on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin? Okay, well, I would say, I just screwed this up. Let me, hold on. Let's do it like this. I would say we're somewhere in this. The breakout of the 500-day range breakout before the back test. That's where we're at. We're somewhere in here, in my opinion. But let's zoom over. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance is just on a tear right now. In my opinion, it's going to top out 63-ish%. Maybe it goes to 65%. But we need it to get rejected and start to fall off a cliff as Bitcoin is rising. That's when Lambo. What are you looking at on top? Bitcoin dominance, the percentage of the entire cryptocurrency market that is invested into Bitcoin. This is a major factor when looking at the bull run. This tells us when alt season is. And what alt season is, if you're brand new, an altcoin is anything that is not Bitcoin, any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. So we're talking Dogecoin, we're talking crypto.com, we're talking ADA, XRP, all the meme coins. When alt season, that's when. $5 to $14 for XRP. Thank you for the $2 donation, bro. You savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Is Chainlink at phase D of Wyckoff? Yes. Exactly. See? Now you're talking. Let me do this for my man Jake, and we'll look at Chainlink. I like that question. If you invest in Solnik right now, about a year from now. Thanks for becoming a subscriber, Culture Creative, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
CSF, thanks for the Tiny Diny. And Alex, thank you for the cap. Nick, thanks for the lightning, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, you know why I call, if you're brand new, you know why I call you guys the savages? Because my core audience was built in 2022 and 2023 when cryptocurrency was absolutely boring. And I said, if you're here right now, you are the future 1%. And you cannot be shaken by fear. You cannot be shaken by greed. You are a savage. That's why you guys are called the savages. All right. Bones Hibachi. What is the ticker for that, Jake? BONES. I don't see that, bro. What's the ticker for that? XTC, I like XTC's value a lot. All right, I'm going to look on Dex Tools, and then I'm moving on. Yeah, I don't see this anywhere, bro. I don't see a chart for this at all. All right. Solnik chart. Solnic has the same structure as Bitcoin. Same exact structure. So you have a massive, massive bull flag. All right, let's look at Bitcoin, and then we'll look at Chainlink after this. Don't worry, bro. So what did Solnic, what did Bitcoin do? Huge bull flag, chopping sideways. In my opinion, this is the bottom of the next bear market. That's why you formulate. You just go sideways and boring. What does that do? That is a place to get caught. That's a new floor. That's your new floor. Okay, this is what Solnic is doing. Same, like, look at this chart, bro. Tell me this don't look the same. Tell me right now that that's not the same chart. You tell me with a straight face. On top of the prior all-time high, just like Bitcoin was trading sideways on top of the prior all-time high. Beautiful. So the next move is this right here, your markup phase. The longer we trade here, that's fine. That means the stronger the floor is. In my opinion, we've just created a higher low, just like the spring. Higher low, higher low, higher low until you break out. Higher low, so your spring, your higher low. $0.075 minimum. All right, let's look at Link. So the question was, is Link in phase D of Wyckoff? Yes, absolutely. Link has a beautiful looking setup in my opinion. All right, same thing. Same pre-setup as Dogecoin. This is the pre-Doge rip setup. So on the top, we got Link. On the bottom, we'll put Dogecoin. All right, same exact setup. Markdown, bear market. Markdown, bear market. Selling climax, selling climax. And then you get your sign of strength, your back test of the prior range, your back test of the prior range. Not only that, but Link was on a downtrend and has broken out of that. So very much, in my opinion, it's somewhere in this phase of the back test. The next phase is the boom. The boom is next. The boom shakalaka is next. $80 for Link at a minimum is what I think he's going to get. Says, I learned that from Yuski. I love that. Because here's the deal. Here's the deal. My man has the correct thing. I don't want to be Bone Shiba Swap. All right, I'm going to look at this. I don't want to be anybody's hero. I don't want to be anybody's savior. That's not what I'm here to do. I want to teach you the game. And you can be your own hero. And if you want to come and high five with me, we'll do that together. But I don't want to be anybody's hero or savior. I want to teach you the game so that you can be your own hero, be your own savior. All right? I don't have a God complex or anything like that. VeChain, yes, same thing. That's right. Now you guys are talking. All right, let me try this one more time. See if we can find this. What the hell? Yeah, I don't know what your I can't find this chart, bro. Let me try it one more time. And then we're going to keep it moving along. Bone Shiba Swap. Okay, we found it. Where did he go? Here we go. This looks okay. Retracement, $1.25. Parabolic, $4.20. XLM, $1. What do you think about Quant? I like Quant a lot. $700 is my target. Megan, thanks for the naughty chicken. You savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Cosmos. I like Cosmos. I'm suspicious of all of Cosmos's inflation. I'm suspicious of their yield. $5 minimum for Flux? Yes, I think so. Will XRP make it past $15 to $14 hairs? I don't think... Okay. My bull case scenario for XRP, this bull market is $14. So that's within spitting distance of $15 to $18, but I wouldn't count on that. I would be DCAing out before then. But the next bull market, yeah, I think so. Peanut, overheated, take profit. Cardano, $6 or $8? $8. $8. Turbo, my target for Turbo is $1 billion market cap. Oof! Thanks for the $4.99 donation, you savage!
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Says, brother, what about this coin called Doge Elon coin? All right, we'll do a review on that. I think that's just Elon, right? I'm pretty sure it's just Elon. It's been around. It doesn't have a bad looking setup, to be honest. This setup looks pretty good. Accumulation. It hasn't quite got the sign of strength. I'm going to give you, there's too many zeros, but I'm going to give you percentages. How about that? So retracement, you're looking at about 4x, 4.5x. That's pretty good. And then bull market, bull case scenario is about a 20x. So I think 4x minimum, 20x maximum for Elon. Look at the Solnic chart. Solnic chart has the exact same setup as Bitcoin. Beautiful setup. Trading sideways and boring on top of the prior all-time high. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. In fact, same thing. This is your selling climax, and then you have a higher low. Let's look at Bitcoin. So trading boring, boring sideways forever. Massive bull flag. Massive bull flag. Trading boring and sideways. Then you have your spring, and then you start making higher lows. Your spring, and you start making higher lows and reaccumulation. The next macro move for Solnic is this right here, the markup phase. Now, the good thing about this, the longer we trade sideways, the stronger the floor is. And that's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. Because the part that I'm most proud of about Solnic is not even the performance. The performance has been awesome. But the bottoms have doubled each time. That is the part that I'm even more proud of. What do you think of Ondo? It's okay. I think it'll do about 5x. I wasn't a huge fan of Ondo when everyone else was talking about Ondo. XRP, $5 or $14. XRP is ready to go, in my opinion. Thoughts on Brett? I think it'll get to about 10 billion. Litecoin's chart looks really good. Litecoin historically is one of the first movers of the bull market. 10x for Brett. Solana, $500. 680 to $8 is the maximum. $6 or $8. Shiba, 10x. XLM, $1. 10x for Shiba. 88, $6 or $8. Gensler about to resign. I think XRP will pop afterwards. That's right. XRP, we've been talking out of the night. You already know, bro. We've been talking about this for ages. Boring, boring, boring until it is not. That is very much where we're about to enter into the until it's not phase of the game. Pepe, 10x from here. XRP is already popping. That's right. My God, I can't even read all these comments. My God. Degen's a little bit overheated in my opinion. It's already done a 3x. It had the same setup though. It had the same exact setup that we've been talking about. XLM $1. All right, is there any like crypto questions? Who's new here that wants me to explain this? George, thank you for the $9.99 donation. You savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
What is your exit strategy for Solnic? My low case is 7.5 cents. My medium case is $1 billion market cap. $1. My bull case, $5.89. If you're asking me my own personal, I will not be exiting. I will be providing liquidity for you guys forever. Why are you choosing Sonic as your main horse out of all memes? Because I like what we got in the pipe out of all memes more than anything. I like the chart. I like bro, no joke. On my mama, on my hood, this is the weekly chart, bro. The weekly chart. Tell me, honestly, honest to God, no BS. No BS. Tell me a sub $10 million market cap that has a weekly chart, meaning each candle is worth 1 week, that looks like this. I will buy it right now. Is ADA dead? No. All right, let's get back to who is new here and wants me to explain crypto. Who doesn't understand crypto? 3, John. What is your favorite silver coin? The buffalo. I love the I love me some buffaloes. That's my favorite. Where can I buy it at? You can buy it on Soulflare Wallet, Phantom Wallet, Crypto.com Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Jupiter, Radium. Sui, I think, is a bit overheated. $1. What can I use other than Coinbase to buy crypto? Uphold. Uphold's had their feet to the fire. Meaning they were here in the thick of it, in the worst of it. And I never, when every other coin, when every other exchange was having trouble, like this is, I'm talking when FTX went to 0, like the worst of it. The worst. Uphold is weird. I'm gonna be honest. Uphold is weird with their KYC. They're a little clunky. But when everything was hell, Uphold was still withdrawing to your bank account, and there was no issues. So, and they were the only ones that did not delist XRP. So they've had their feet to the fire, real pressure, and they made it through. So to me, that is the mark. I don't give a damn what you're doing when it's awesome. What are you doing when it hits you in the mouth? That's who you really are. Why does Solnic and Phantom coin market look different? It shouldn't, bro. I'm on the weekly chart. That might be why. You can change it like to the 15-minute. Like every chart is different depending on what you're looking at. I'm looking at the weekly chart though. You might have the, make sure it's the right one. XTZ9 here. I'm going to put this in the I'm going to put this in the chat. Make sure it is that one. All right, who asked? Is anybody asking me about crypto? Okay, so I'm new, not sure how to read market gap and total supply. Okay, good. A good resource, there's a couple that you can use. Market cap is crypto.com, excuse me, coinmarketcap.com or CoinGecko. Those are pretty good resources. So if you go to Coin, this is like the Yahoo Finance of cryptocurrency, okay? So you could go on this and you could search any coin. So let's just do, we'll do AVAX. Or let's do Chainlink. Oh my God. Why are you white? Stop it. Much better. Okay. So I just clicked on Chainlink, but it doesn't matter. So it'll tell you the market cap is in the top left corner. Right now, Chainlink's market cap is $8.22 billion market cap. And then the total supply on Chainlink is 1 billion link. So that's the maximum that will ever exist, is 1 billion. Okay? This says that there's 626 circulating. Hold Doge or sell. I would consider DCAing a little bit out. Guidance on AI coins. My favorite AI coins are Flux and Dynex. USD or USDT? USDT for me, because the bull market's just starting. Flux is my favorite AI coin. Thoughts on me portfolio? We'll go over that tomorrow, Megan. But I think you're in a good spot. Worth getting into mining now, or is it too late? If you're into computers and hardware, I would say it's worth it. If you're not, I would just do liquidity mining, because you can mine liquidity and you don't have to do the infrastructure cost. You don't have to do the electricity cost. Liquidity mining is just as good. I'll make videos on that for you guys. I know nothing. What should I invest $2 in? $200 in. I just made a if I'm brand new to crypto. But I would break your $200 up into thirds: large market caps, medium market caps, small market caps, and then DCA. That DCA, I cannot stress to you how important DCA is. And what that means is dollar cost average. This means you buy a little bit each and every week. This is the very best strategy for beginners. In fact, let's say you're a terrible investor. Let's say you're the worst investor and you started buying Bitcoin at the worst possible time. November 21st, 2021, at the absolute top. Let's say you bought $100 a week, every single week, all the way down. And then you kept buying all the way back up. You would be up about a 2x right now. Starting at the worst possible time. Let me say it again, because I don't think you heard me. If you DCA into Bitcoin, mean dollar cost average, buying a little bit each and every week, regardless of price. So let's say $100. You would have invested, how many $100 would you have invested? You would have invested $16,000, and your portfolio would be worth approximately $30,000 right now, starting at the worst possible time that you humanly could have. If you would have thrown a dart and said, give me the worst time to start, let's start now, you would have doubled your money. If you were consistently, timing is not the important thing. Really, it's the old adage, time in the market beats timing the market. It says good night, thank you. So you're basically saying there's no bad time. I'm not going to say there's no bad time. That's not true. But over the course of 5 years, 3 years, you will be in the green if you stick to that strategy. LCX. All right, we're going to switch it to subscriber only mode. You guys can hop over. Oh, my light died. So we're going to do some in-depth TA. For the subscribers, you guys can hop over on YouTube. I'm live right now on YouTube. Listen, I will never message you first. I promise you, I love you. And for that matter, Calvin Hill, Crypto Mason, Alex, no creator will message you and say, how is your trading going? WhatsApp me. Those are scammers. For the love of God, do not get scammed. If on your wallet, a cryptocurrency shows up on your wallet and says, redeem here, for the love of God, do not redeem. Those are all scams. If you redeem, what will happen is you will give them access to your wallet. It will redeem from your wallet to their wallet. All right, let's get into the in-depth TA for the subscribers. Let's have it. What do you guys want to look at? Yeah, I'm live every single day at 8 p.m. Central Time. Dino. All right, let's look at Dino. D-I-N-O. Dr. Dis, TA. The funny thing is, Dr. Dis has the same exact setup too, and I haven't done nothing but hold for it. Dino doesn't look too bad. Big old accumulation. Hasn't quite got the sign of strength yet. Retracement 6.5 cents. Parabolic 33 cents. I need XTZ. Land Wolf on Soul. All right, let's look at Dr. Dis. I think it's just $43,000 market cap. Yeah, this has the same setup. The funny thing is, literally the same setup. Yeah, this looks pretty good. I still own all 84 million of my coins, and I will never be selling. 006. Clayton, thanks for becoming a subscriber, you savage, bro. Appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
That's about a 13x. Have you read about the section on stolen coin market cap says coin has been abandoned? Yeah, it's a CTO, bro. We're getting that updated. That's true. It's a CTO, community takeover, led by me and my community. I am the face of it now. But that's true. I did not create Solnic. What needs updating? Coin market cap. Cliff. They don't like how it says abandoned by the... All right, let's look up Cetus. C-U-T. Beard and all. They don't like it, Cliff. Get it out of there. Oh, Punky. I missed two of those. All right, let's get the Punky. P-O-N-K-E. Punky looks like it's going. Full on Punky's retraced already. I don't know what your accumulation price is, but a retracement is a place to de-risk a little bit. You don't have to do like maybe 20, 30%. But I think it will get to about another 3x from here, about $2 from here. Wolf on Soul. Demo, not Dino. My bad, bro. Demo. D-I-M-O. Going backwards. This looks pretty good, too. Retracement, 48 cents. I would de-risk a little bit here, maybe about 30%, depending on how much you like this coin, and $2. All right, Cetus. Cetus is parabolic, bro. Consider taking a little bit of profit. I would consider taking a decent bit of profit. It might get another 6 to 66 cents. Astro. A-S-T-O. LCX prediction $1 to $2. Does R-Drum still have a life in it? R-Drum's highly inflationary. R-Drum to me is one of those coins that I'm going to be accumulating heavy in the bear market, but not right now. The Mansky, VXV, Punky. We just went over Punky. Let me finish this one. Do we do this one? Yeah, not really enough on this one. VXV. Looks okay. Retracement $6. Parabolic $25. VChain 40 cents as high as 69 cents. VChain to me is my favorite blue chip. One of my favorite blue chips. XTZ. D-Lo, thank you for subscribing, bro. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Thanks for clarifying. Let's get this coin to the top. That's right. Thanks for the question. Sorry if I came off a little hostile. Yeah, bro. I'll tell the full story of Solnik another time. Ask me about it maybe tomorrow. $4.65. Retracement. This chart looks pretty good, bro. Parabolic $13. VXV. We just did that one, bro. We just did it, fam. $6. Parabolic $25. Doohickey Wop. Thanks for the rose. Claws. Are you still a fan of Dent? I am still a fan of Dent. I am. D-Lo, thanks for the rose, bro.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Should we waste our time on Soul? I've heard so much contradictory. I'll look at Soul after this. The thing about Soul is not Soul. Wolf. It's a very small market cap. I don't mind the chart, but like I don't know what's up with the community. I'm not in there. So that's going to be what you need to gauge. How is the community looking? How's the leadership looking? I don't know. Right? I don't know. Megan. Skibbity, Ohio Riz. I can tell you what the charts say, but you need to look at, like, get in the community. You know what I'm saying? Wolf on Soul, down 18%. 12.3 million market cap. This is accumulation. Like, the chart doesn't look bad, but I don't know what's up with the leadership. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Retracement, though, 1.2 cents. Parabolic, 5 cents. Caveat is, like, if the leader is still not leading, then it might not do well. Thank you for the manifesting, D-Lo. You savage, bro.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, SK Skibbity. Is that Skibbity? Is it literally called Skibbity? That's hilarious. Where do you find these? $73 million market cap. This is in the bull market already. Let me zoom all the way out. Make sure there's nothing over here. No volume on TikTok. Well, thanks for letting me know, bro. This is very parabolic. I would strongly recommend taking profit on this. It might go higher. It might. But I wouldn't count on it. I mean, technically, RSI on the daily, 67. So it could go higher. Sure. But I would say relatively, the move is done. The structure move is done. Anything beyond this is a gift. That's what I would say. Volume is fine on your boy Ski. He's talking about the Solnik, because I'm technically still live on that one. Thank you for the roses, bro. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
AIOZ. How do you guys like at the end of each live streams doing this? What do you guys think? RLC. My goal is to just bring as much value as I can. This looks pretty good. This looks like it's ready to start the next phase. So this is not a bad place to take a little bit, like maybe 20%, with the understanding that it could get to $2 as high as $3. Love, not as congested. So much more calm. I know, right? I heard the chat moderators get paid. All right, let's look up RLC. I feel like I remember that one. $350 plus later here. Don't get ignored. I'm not ignoring anyone, Megan. Like, I don't know if you can see the chat. Just like, I'm doing the best that I can, bro. But yeah, everyone gets red. This looks, yeah, this looks pretty good. 83.19% circulating. That's pretty good. This chart looks pretty good. $8 for retracement. The parabolic, $32. Bought the Sonic dip. Good night, Ski. Good night. DCA all the way. That's right. And like the last minutes for subscribers. SHX. Oh, I was parabolic by throwing good. 32. It's definitely more chill at the end. Retracement 008. Parabolic 2 cents. Till you have 1,000 people asking questions. Yeah, that's gonna be insane. That will be insane. Astra. This looks pretty good too. All these charts look the same. Why do they all look the same? Because they're all going to do the same damn thing. Parabolic, 81 cents. I wouldn't count on this huge wick over here. FWOG. Take profit on this one, bro. Wait. What's the retrace on DGen? Yeah, this is parabolic, bro. Take profit. DGen's at the retrace. This is a good place to de-risk a little bit for DGen, in my opinion. This is about the 0.5. This chart looks good. But yeah, this is a good place to de-risk. Parabolic is 13 cents. Solana, $500. A funny video idea. Get a hold of me tomorrow. All right. I got you. Tyson versus Paul. When is that? That's tomorrow, right? Is that tomorrow? I took out 15% earlier and put it into Sonic. Dude, Irish Channel, you got an amazing dip. You going to live tomorrow afternoon? Yep. I sure will be. All right, guys. That's going to be it for this time. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. I bought more Solnic and Dis. Let's go. All right, guys. Peace. I'll be live tomorrow, 8 p.m. Central Time. Peace, love, prosperity, God first, God bless. What time is the fight? Maybe I might have to move that, actually. Cliff! What the hell? Thanks for the turkey face, you savages.